But nothing will happen. change your mind. 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So let me have a taste of you. I'm loving everything you do. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you well, you well. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real, for real. Let me have